Good morning, Zebras. I am Cadet Brad. I am proud to introduce the NJROTC Corps of Cadets Rifle Exhibition Team led by Cadet Riggs. You too can be part of our team if you are in 8th grade or higher, so 7th graders, consider selecting NJROTC as an elective next year. Congratulations, Will Rogers Junior High, and go Zebras. Cadet Riggs, take it away.
Come in. Hey. Oh.